An impressive Restomod that delivers on every level. This sweet Camaro is the kind of car everyone enjoys. It cruises like a carriage, sprints like a running back, and simply oozes the style and swagger that's made first-generation F-bodies the stuff of legend. The beneficiary of a frame-off nut and bolt restoration that relieved it of drabbed over white digs. This solid first-gen Camaro presently sports a vivid coat of Synergy green sheen. That sheen is reflected on solid metal that was stripped bare and massaged to precision. Metallic black rally stripes play well with requisite D80 spoilers, and mods are limited to a shaved grille, a cal induction hood, and painted drip rails. Open the doors to find a heavily customized interior that wraps a nice blend of classic style and modern convenience around plush leather seating. A green lace dash hides quality painless wiring behind rebuilt gauges, vintage air climate control, a custom LED Camaro emblem, and direct fit audio. The factory console centers a horseshoe shifter behind factory accessory gauges, and the driver spins a classy rosewood steering wheel on a tilting column. Pop the hood to find a well-dressed Chevrolet 350 small block that is fed by familiar upgrades. That healthy engine sends power through a TH350 3-speed back to a 10-bolt rear. Thanks to its choice restoration, this vivid Camaro combines the best aspects of originality with many of hot rodding's most desirable traits. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.